Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.